Hello friends, hope you are doing good. Yes, I am here again with new informative video on most common interview question asked. I have seen in many interviews or even in all the interviews this question will always be asked about your roles and responsibilities in your previous or current project. So this content will help you to answer such question in interview. Fine, then let's get started. When explaining your roles and responsibilities in software testing interview, it's important to tailor your response to the specific roles you are applying for. However, there are some general areas you can focus on to showcase your experience and skills. Okay, so I'm going to explain you most important points which if you answer in such manner it will be impactful. Okay, so first, test planning and design. You can describe your involvement in test planning activities such as defining test scope, identifying test cases, and creating test plans. You can also mention the testing methodologies you are familiar with, let's say black box testing, white box testing, and also briefly you explain how you design test cases considering different scenarios like positive, negative, and edge cases. Second point, test execution and reporting. Explain your experience in executing test cases, either it can be manually or using any automation tool. You can also highlight your knowledge of testing tools like Selenium, JMeter, Cypress, or any other tool which you have used. Okay, that you can explain in your test execution and reporting part. Then also you can mention how you have documented test results including bug reports with clear description and expected behavior. Point number 3, defect management and communication. You can explain how you identify and report defects using bug tracking system like Jira, Mentees, or Bugzilla. Whichever tool you have used you can explain here. And then you can describe your approach to working with developers to resolve bug effectively. And then you can mention your communication skills in collaborating with team members, okay, and stakeholders, that you can mention here. Then comes point number 4, test automation. In this, if you have experience with automation testing tool, highlight your skills in scripting language like Python, Java, or any other language you have worked on or you have experience into. Then briefly explain how you have designed and implemented automation test. Okay. Then mention the framework you have used like automation framework like Selenium WebDriver, APM. Selenium WebDriver, it can be BDD Cucumber or any other framework which you have worked on. You can explain that easily. Okay, so let me give you guys an example that how you can answer. If this question asked, you can say in my previous role at my company I was responsible for automation testing. This involved activities like scripting test cases and managing test automation framework. I also need to help my teammates on their automation doubts like their automation scripting issues, right? I was also involved in managing team, so that you can answer, right? So there are few more important points that you can include. You can quantify your achievements whenever possible. For example, reduced defect by percentage you can mention. Then you can emphasize your abilities to prioritize tasks and meet deadlines. You can also highlight your problem solving analytical skills. You can show your passion for software testing, quality, and continuous improvement. Okay, by following these tips, tailoring your response to the specific role, you can effectively explain your software testing experience and impress potential employers. Okay, so with this I'm done for this video. If you have any doubts, please comment. And thank you very much for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, comment, share, and also subscribe to my channel. Let me know in comment section if you want me to create more videos on any specific question or any doubt. If you have, you can ask me to create video. Okay, till then, bye, stay happy, thank you so much.